What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about a facial serum by one of my favorite brands, Valjean Labs. This company makes extremely affordable skincare that is just as effective as the leading brands, if not more. I review quite a bit of Valjean Labs products on my channel. Of course, I will link them below. Now the SCULPT serum, this is said to smooth and reduce puffiness, something that we can all benefit from. I've been using the SCULPT serum for a few weeks now, and I finally feel comfortable with sharing my experience with you guys. So keep on watching. Collagen and caffeine are the two main ingredients in this facial serum. Collagen can reduce the appearance of wrinkles, increase hydration, and support elasticity. And caffeine is a vasoconstrictor. If you didn't know what that is, neither did I. That's actually something that is meant to constrict blood vessels. Applying caffeine to your face can help reduce blood flow, make skin appear less red, puffy, or even inflamed. And of course, I'll leave the ingredients right here if you guys want to check out all of them. But caffeine, collagen, to me, sounds like something that I need in my life. I picked up this facial serum where I get all of my Valjean Labs products, and that is TJ Maxx or Marshalls, but got this at TJ for $6.99. That, in my opinion, is a steal considering this is sold on 𝗀𝗗𝗄𝗏brands.com and also urbanoutfitters.com for $15. So pretty much got this for half the price. Packaging, guys, I'm never disappointed in a Valjean Labs product. It's very minimal, it's very sophisticated looking. I think these look awesome on your vanity or in your refrigerator, wherever you keep your skincare products. But this is a frosted glass, it's a screw off top with an applicator. Love that because it helps you manage how much of the product that you use. It's minimal, it's sleek. I live for Valjean Labs packaging. I appreciate it. It's 1.83 fluid ounces, which is an amazing size, so you get a good bang for your buck. The directions for this are pretty much just like any other facial serum. The bottle says to apply a few drops into your palms and smooth onto cleansed face and neck. Can be used alone or under moisturizer. Very simple, nothing complex about this. Now, I actually apply it directly to my face from the applicator. Let's do that right now while we're into this. And the consistency, let me tell you guys, it's thick, but it's not too thick. It's actually kind of liquidy. I like to shake the bottle. Let me do that before I apply this, just to get everything together. All right, whatever it does, this potion here. All right, so we have a little bit in the vial, and I'm looking at my mirror. I just apply a little drop right there, and we'll put it on the forehead for those of you that like to make fun of me for not applying products on my forehead. I'm just gonna pat it in. I'm not gonna stretch the skin. We're gonna lightly put it on our face. Spread it throughout your skin. This actually disperses on your face very easily. It is liquidy. It is not like a cream. It is very serum-like. I don't know how else to explain it. So you really don't need a lot. A little goes a long way. And if you want to put on your neck, you can put on the chins, whatever you want to do. And yeah, it goes on very, very simple. My method for this is putting this on in the morning after I wash my face with cold water. Put this on, and I have noticed a difference with like puffiness. And my goal is to just get that caffeine on my skin, wake my skin up, help delete those rednesses from sleeping, because let's face it, guys, when we wake up, whether or not we like to sleep like a vampire, I always end up like tossing and turning. It's just an endless story. But yeah, so when I wake up, my face can be a little inflamed from like the natural occurrences that happen at nighttime, and this definitely, in my opinion, has been helping out with that, aside from just feeling nice. Now, I have noticed throughout the past weeks my skin has been smooth, and this has been leaving it very hydrated. I'm gonna say it's this because it's the only thing within my skincare regimen that I have like significantly changed recently, and I've been using this religiously every morning. And I only use this in the morning because I have a different like routine for my nighttime routine. Yeah, you guys, that is pretty much my experience with using the Valjean Labs SCULPT Collagen and Caffeine Facial Serum. I love this, guys. I live for Valjean Labs products. I'm not an ambassador, although they should sponsor me at this point because I love their products and I spend my own personal money on their products. Not that it's a lot, because again, $6.99, you cannot go wrong. But their products they're effective, they're affordable, they work. There's a nice amount that comes here. And like I said, I've been using this for a few weeks, and you can even tell like not a lot is gone. And that's because, one, I know how to manage my products. I don't abuse them because I like to buy a lot, so you can't do that if you like to buy a lot. You'll not be disappointed if you try out this serum or any other serum by Valjean Labs, because I try a lot of like luxury high-end products, and then I always go back to my Valjean Labs. I don't know what it is, but they don't do me dirty and they don't break the bank. So I love that. But if you guys found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. It goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly. So you might as well follow me in this YouTube journey. And my Instagram is in one of these corners too if you'd like to give that a follow. But till next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I will catch you in the next video. Bye guys.